After treating over 5,000 patients with filler, last month I had my most feared complication. And here are the 3 things that I learned from it. Number 1 is consult your patients on the risks. Even if you know them well, it's really important to run through the risks again with them. Number 2 is to realize that even if you do everything perfectly, things do happen and complications will occur, and it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And finally, number 3 is to be prepared. Practice what you will do if a complication arises. That may mean mixing up hyaluronidase, for example, and doing a practice drill before it happens in real life. Over the last 10 years, I've tested multiple techniques and theories on over 5,000 lip filler patients. And believe me when I say there is a technique and a secret to getting the best results for your patients in the lips. I'd like to share that secret with you. And on the 11th of July at 7 p.m, I'm running a completely free live online webinar where I talk about the art of lip filler, what I learned after treating 5,000 patients, and the day it all went wrong. Join me on the 11th of July at 7 p.m for 1 hour of unmissable content and all the gory details.